Hello everyone, and welcome to our MooCommerce tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to add product categories to your store and how to perform a bulk upload of products. Whether you're setting up a new shop or expanding your inventory, these skills are essential for managing your online store efficiently. Let's get started. First, we'll start with adding product categories. Product categories help organize your store and make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Step 1. Log into your MooCommerce dashboard. Navigate to Products on the left sidebar and click on Categories. Here, you'll see the Add New Category section on the left. Enter the name of your new category. For example, let's call it Winter Collection. You can also add a slug. It's usually a URL-friendly version of the name. It should be all lowercase and separated by dashes. If you want this to be a subcategory, select a parent category from the drop-down menu. Otherwise, leave it as None to make it a main category. You can also add a description and upload an image that represents this category. This is optional, but it can enhance the look of your category pages. Once you're done, click on Add New Category at the bottom. And that's it. You successfully added a new product category to your MooCommerce store. Now let's move on to bulk uploading products. This is a great way to save time if you have multiple products to add to your store. Step 1. Prepare your product data in a CSV file. You can download a sample CSV file from MooCommerce to use as a template. Make sure to include details like product name, price, categories, SKU, and stock status. Once your CSV file is ready, go back to your dashboard and navigate to Products. Click on All Products and then select Import at the top. MooCommerce will guide you through the process. Choose your CSV file and then click Continue. You'll then see the column mapping screen, where MooCommerce matches your CSV columns to product fields. Review the mappings to make sure everything is correct. You can adjust if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the mapping, click on Run the Importer. Wait for the import to complete. This might take a few minutes depending on the number of products. And there you have it. You've learned how to add product categories and bulk upload products to your MooCommerce store. With these skills, you can manage your inventory more effectively and make shopping easier for your customers. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more MooCommerce tips and tricks.